welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share with you all what I received in my Boxycharm base box. I received it today and I was super excited when I opened my box and saw the products I received because I have not really seen too many base boxes on YouTube this go round. But I've seen a lot of premium boxes. I like my premium box, but I wasn't as excited as I am about my base box. So let's get started so I can share with you guys what I received. This month is Go All Out. Again, the same card with the product items on the back. So let's go ahead and jump into the items I received. I'm excited about my box. So I have the Kate Sun Reveal Exfoliant Glow Moisturizer. And it says that it revives dull, dry, lackluster looking skin with Kate's Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. It says this powerhouse ingredients remove dead surface skin cells while smoothing fine lines and wrinkles to reveal younger looking skin. This retails for $70. And this is well over the box worth. So I am glad they put this in here because, again, I cannot rave enough about moisturizers and moisturizing your skin, especially when you're applying makeup and stuff, especially like I'm doing like every day of the week. Then yes, moisturize, moisturize, and moisturize. The next item, which is the item I picked for the box, is this Iconic London Ultimate Bronzing Powder. Iconic has some great products. They're just so expensive. So whenever I see them in Boxycharm, I get excited. But this is the shade I picked is in the shade Warm Bronze. And I can't wait to use this bronzer. And it says that it's an ultimate bronzing powder. It's perfect for creating an all-over skin sun-kissed warmth. I'm trying to make sure you guys can see it. Or to define and sculpt the face with a natural matte finish. You can fake a just stepped off the beach bronze look all year round. The silky powder sits comfortably on the skin, skimming effortlessly over pores and fine lines for the ultimate flawless finish. It comes in 6 shades to suit all skin tones, and this retails for $35. This is a large bronzer. Also, this is a huge bronzer. How much product? 17 grams. That's a lot of product in this packaging. My next item is the Clean Skin Club Pineapple Glow Mist. I am excited about this glow mist. I love sprays and stuff like that. But it says this mist is formulated with pineapple enzymes, hyaluronic acid, peptides, and antioxidants to give dull, tired skin a healthy glow. This lightweight, fast-absorbing formula deeply penetrates and hydrates the skin. Mist onto clean skin after cleansing and before serum. This retails for $38. So I'm definitely gonna put this in my skincare routine when I remove my makeup, cleanse my face, at night before I go to bed, and start spraying it, and then probably spray it in the mornings before I apply any makeup and kind of let it sit before I start any type of makeup routine. So I'm gonna put that in my bedroom. Then the next item I have is the Give Them La Beauty, the Grown Woman palette. You know what? The funny thing is I almost bought this palette off of the pop-up. And something said, do not purchase anything off that pop-up because you do not know what's going to come in your box. And this is one of the eyeshadow palettes I almost purchased. This is a beautiful palette, and it says that, say hello to a gorgeous eye palette full of earthy, sunset colored mattes and foiled shadows. It includes 9 highly pigmented shadows that feel buttery, soft, and silky to the touch. It says these perfectly blendable shades effortlessly glides across the eyelid for long-lasting, jaw-dropping looks every time. This retails for $42, and I've never heard of this brand until I saw it on the pop-up for Boxycharm. But like I said, I almost purchased this palette. I'm glad I did not because I had no clue of what, I was going to get in my box. So I kind of said, no, stop it. Wait for your box to come. And if pop-up is still open, then you can probably go see what's on there that you're interested in. But when I saw it was a base box item, I said, let me just see if I'm going to receive it before I purchase anything, and I did. So I'm excited to have this eyeshadow palette. And my last item is the Monica Dar Beauty Flutter Mascara. And it says, this mascara lengthens, curls, volumes. And this is what the wands look like. I just cut myself in the middle of my sentence. Volumizes, not volumes. Volumizes and lifts lashes. A specially designed applicator brush in an innovative hourglass shape will grab all hard-to-reach lashes, ensuring a clump-free application. This retails for $29. I'm kind of excited about getting this mascara because lately I haven't been doing a whole lot of my eyelash wearings because my eyes have been irritated with my allergies. So I was like, let me see if I can get some good mascaras that'll bring out my eyelashes, thicken them up a little bit, make them look like I have some because they're really, really thin. They're not as full and long like some people. So I'm excited to have a new mascara because I don't really buy a lot of mascaras because a lot of them do come in Boxycharm for the most part. But that's what I received in my Boxycharm for the month of July for my base box. I'm excited about all of my products. I am really excited about all my products in my box. But you will be seeing me use them in upcoming videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you have not done so already, please comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and become a part of my family here. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.